Easy to assemble kids furniture sets. The Melissa Doug Solid Wood Table Chairs set is an easy-to-assemble set that has been sized for kids from ages 3 to 8 years. Sturdy wooden furniture. Melissa Doug focuses on making high-quality furniture sets for kids. We've built this sturdy wooden table and chairs set from durable wood. The 2 chairs stand 24.75 inches high with an 11-inch seat height. Great for screen-free play. Our table and chairs set is ideal for playing games, working on puzzles, creating arts and crafts, enjoying real and pretend meals, and more. Great gift for ages 3 and up. The Food Group's wooden play food set makes a great gift for kids ages 3 to 6. The Melissa Doug Playtime Produce and Vegetables Play food set is a great accompaniment. The gold standard in childhood play. For more than 30 years, Melissa Doug have created beautifully designed imagination and creativity sparking products that NBC News called the gold standard in early childhood play. We design every toy to the highest quality standards, and to nurture minds and hearts. If your child is not inspired, give us a call and we'll make it right. Our phone number is on every product. Top reviews from the United States. Clean, perfect finish. Beautiful durable table chair set, appropriate for an educational or home setting. Paint finish is very smooth and easy to clean, maintain. My husband advised that it took him just a few minutes to assemble. We're planning to buy a few more sets soon. Melissa Doug educational materials have not disappointed me in my 20-plus years of professional experience as a preschool educator, art teacher, behaviorist, and I'm happy to say that their furniture stands up to their best wood puzzle reputation. Functional, clean.